Hello, I'm Brad, and today I'm going to be talking about a category of tea we call puer. This category of tea comes from a market town in southern China, in Yunnan province. These teas are unique in that they are aged and also fermented. Today we're going to be trying two of them, and they come in different forms. The first one is mongla, and it comes in this cake form. Normally you'll have a thicker cake than this. This particular bing cha comes in these thin round sections, two of them pressed together. When they're thicker, I would take a puer knife. You can use a butter knife, something very thin and stiff. And since the leaves are layered horizontally and pressed in, they steam them and then they press them for aging, you would press the knife into the side of the cake and pry off pieces. But since these are thin enough, I can just basically break off small pieces and put them into my pot. It will take an infusion or two for the leaves to start unfolding and unfurling and releasing their liqueur, which is a nice thing because it allows you to brew the tea over more infusions. Using the small pot like this really helps with that because it can control the flavor much better. It's much more concentrated, and it allows you to have those extended tea drinking sessions with yourself or with your friends or your family. You can brew it over many infusions. It's nice. And this particular tea somehow just completely satisfies my soul in a way without sounding too grandiose. It's deep. There's something about the fermentation and the process of this tea that makes it very different from other tea categories, which, don't get me wrong, I love. I'm a tea lover, so I like pretty much all the categories of tea. There's something about this that has sort of an old soul quality to it. My second tea, second puer of the brewing session, will be our Puer Gold. So I just want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to present these two fantastic puer fermented teas from southern China. Enjoy your tea.